How to unhide a post on Facebook. Well, here's how to do it step by step. First, open the Facebook app. Tap the three horizontal lines on the top left of the screen to open the menu. Tap Settings and Privacy. Then select Settings. Now scroll down and tap Activity Log. Inside Activity Log, tap Your Facebook Activity. You'll now see different options under your Facebook activity. Under Posts, tap Manage Posts. Here, you'll see the posts associated with your Facebook profile. Next, tap Filter at the top. Now select Categories. Now tap Hidden from Profile to see the posts you've previously hidden from your Facebook profile. Find the post you want to unhide, tap the three dots next to it, and select Add to Profile. The post will now be visible on your Facebook profile again. That's it. That's how you can unhide a hidden post on Facebook and add it back to your timeline. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.